I'm saying? It's all disguise. But let's go with this, man. Got some more NBs. NBs. My second pair in the last 2 episodes, right?
So I will say publicly that I have been eyeing 2 pair of NBs.
I hope this is one of them.
I am going to hope that the algorithm has an algorithm.
You better pray to God.
And so what's real algorithmic about this it is this exact sneaker, different color.
Yeah, the other one.
The wine color is the one that I literally contemplated, and I'm glad I didn't. Because I was like, that toe box looks crazy narrow.
Yeah.
I'm not
you know how you are with the wide foot, man.
I'm not trying to sacrifice a pinky toe. Okay. These are
Can't some people that got wide feet without pausing that, you know what I'm saying?
crazy in person.
Yeah, it's crazy, son.
These are crazy in person.
Very futuristic. I like that. It's a lot of fabrics, a lot of things going on with these.
So much happening here. They're
Soul's
different
nuts.
textures. The sole is crazy. There are 2 soles. There's plastic. There's rubber. There's
Clear shit.
This is a whole experience. There are pressure points. Like,
Pressure points.
you know what I mean? Like what's happening here? All right, so let's get into it, man. First, the colorway is crazy.
Colorway
right?
is nuts.
I did not see this colorway option. Like I said, I was looking at the Merlot-ish color.
I got these off of Packer. I don't know if
That mine was coming out of this other spot, Survival or something, whatever it was, in Miami. Okay, so we've got this chocolate accent that only shows up in 2 places. Here on the bottom of the upper sole.
Yep. On the heel.
And just, it looks like, is it fading? And just around the end, the New Balance sign here.
Yep.
They're 2 completely different New Balance symbols. The one on the exterior is plastic with white, but there's a tan. So they basically took the sole and put it here. There's the chocolate, there's the tan wrapped around
all the same
end,
colors.
and then the off-white there.
And then on the inside.
And then on the inside, they've stitched it in. I wonder, is that 3M? I don't think
no, that's not
it's
3M.
just the silver stitching, which is good because that plays on the little end that's silver stitched on the front.
Yeah.
The NB 9060 on the tongue, and then it plays off of the white that is around, which is completely different from this. They're like 2 different creams here.
It's just a lot
There's
going
like
on.
off-white. There's like a light cream and a dark cream. Mm-hmm. But then you've got the light blues, and then you've got the like. This is a journey.
But the shit is like
happening right
they're
now.
like blue and cream.
We were getting there.
Blue and cream.
Blue and cream.
Blue and cream.
These are tough, yo.
Man, I had
The
to
cushioning.
grab these
Have you?
Yes, I put them on here.
You gave them
Did a
one.
little rocking back and forth, you know what I'm saying?
How did it feel? Does it feel like?
I mean, for me, everything goes up against the Adidas, right? Ultra Boost, it's not that.
It's definitely not that.
Very comfortable. Hugs my foot.
Yeah.
The comfort is fantastic, son. They feel great on foot. They feel fantastic on foot.
I will say that I didn't. So this rubber is definitely very cushiony.
It's
down
foam.
here.
It's all foam.
It's foam. Yeah. Mm-hmm. There are different degrees of it, and it's not like a normal New Balance where it has New Balance actually has a function. These do not have.
These are street. This is a street.
These are strictly for rocking.
Shoe. Yeah, it's the lifestyle joint.
Wait, there's another color. So we
Yeah,
got
on the
3
back.
the lower portion of that is a different.
Yeah, like a taupe, I guess. Is that like a taupe?
I like that. Yeah, but that color. Does that tie into this? No, that matches here. This matches there. That's fantastic. These are dope.
Yeah, this part goes with that,
Yep.
right?
That's what I'm saying. So these match
Yep.
And then it matches the inside. That and that match.
They did some things with these.
I like that too. I like the touch of, and then this nubuck all around with the mesh. The nubuck mesh combination is really dope.
Yeah, the nice leather, the distressed leather, once again, the mesh, the nubuck shit. It's crazy what they do with these things.
The craftsmanship on this is interesting because none of this is one solid piece. Everything is actually layered on top of each other or stitched into each other. That's pretty dope.
It's good stuff. It's gonna be a nice spring situation there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's a solid pickup, man.
Little brunch situation.
That's a solid pickup.
Think
Man,
about
this
brunch.
algorithm is not a game.
It's horrible. It's horrible.
It's not a game.
It's ridiculous. It
Off
tells.
camera, I will show you the one that I've been looking at.
It tells everybody everything, every move you're making.
Yeah.
I need to start using a whole other profile that no one has.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's that, man.
That's tough, man.
We got one more joint.
Very good.
One
Very
more
good
pair.
joint.
We'll break real quick, come back and knock out the last pair before we get this heat check going.